On this video today, I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to make money on Clickbank as a complete beginner without any skills, without investing any money, and without any experience. This method is very easy, and the best part is that you can use it wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to create a Clickbank account or any affiliate network that you know. In this case, we are using Clickbank. Once you create your Clickbank account and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, Marketplace. Once you click on the Marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. So now the next step is that you are going to find a category where you can find digital products to promote. There are a lot of different categories that you can find on Clickbank. You can see health and fitness, e-business and e-marketing, spirituality, new age, alternative beliefs, self-help, home and garden, cooking, food and wine, and many others. In this video, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting a product under the e-business and e-marketing. So click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see a lot of different digital products that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. As I scroll, you can see many of them that you can promote. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be looking at the gravity score. So you are going to sort the products based on the gravity score. The gravity score is based on the number of unique affiliates that have made sales promoting the product. So we are going to sort the products based on the gravity so that we can get the products that are trending right now. To sort the products, you are going to click right here. Once you click on it, you can see the different ways that you can sort the products. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, we are going to select gravity. You can see high to low. We are going to select that. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is the product that has the highest gravity under this category. So it means if you promote this product, the likelihood of you getting a sale is very high. But it is not always the case that you should promote the first product. You can promote any of the products that has a gravity score more than 50. So any of the products on Clickbank, you can promote it and still make money. So what we are going to do is that we are going to scroll down and then select one of them to promote. You can see the second product is get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. The gravity score is very high, and you can see this is the commission rate, $25.60. That is the amount that you are going to be paid for every sale that you get. You can see the third one, paid online writing jobs. The gravity score is also high, and you can see they have recurring rebill. It means they have an upsell product that they are going to promote to the customer once they buy the main product. So anytime your potential customers buy the upsell product, you are going to be earning $35.60. And you can see this is the main commission rate, $132.57. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get promoting the product. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting this product right here. To promote the product, what you have to do is that you have to look at the affiliate support page so that you can find materials that you can use to promote the product. This is the affiliate support page. Click on it, affiliate page. Once you click on the affiliate page, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to scroll down so that you can look at the resources that you can use to promote the product. You can see they have a lot of different resources that you can use to promote the product. They have email swipe, banners, Facebook ad images, Pinterest pins, and many other resources that you can use to promote the product. In this case, we are interested in the places where the product is getting a lot of sales. So click right here, demographics. Once you click on the demographics, you can see the different information about the product. The audience are females. You can see between the age of 35 and above. You can see it. These are the gadgets that they use. People who use tablets are likely to buy the product. Those who use desktop, they are the second group of people who are likely to buy the product. And you can see mobile is third. So it means that when we target tablets, we can get many people to buy the product. Once you get to know the devices, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see the countries where the offer is getting a lot of sales. You can see the first one is United States, the second is Australia, third is Canada, fourth is United Kingdom, fifth is Croatia, and then the sixth is Italy. So these are the countries that you have to target if you want to run ads. So now once you have gotten this basic information about the product, the next step is that we are going to begin to promote it so that we can get people to buy it. So you are going to come back on Clickbank. Once you come back on Clickbank, you have to get your affiliate link. To get your affiliate link, you are going to click right here, promote. Once you click on promote, you are going to see a page like this. Click right here, create hop link. Once you click on create your hub link, you can see this is your unique affiliate link. So anytime you get people to buy the product through this affiliate link, you are going to be earning a commission. So now the next step is that you are going to build a landing page so that you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. There are a lot of different free platforms that you can use to build your landing page. If you want, you can use Google Sites. As you can see, I have built a simple landing page using Google Sites. You can see everything in the landing page. You can see it is a very simple landing page that can grab the attention of the visitors. In one of the videos, I taught you step by step on how to create a simple landing page like this. So you can get the video in the description box to watch and then follow the steps so that you can create a simple landing page like this. Once you create the landing page, you are going to insert your affiliate link in the image, insert your affiliate link in the call to action, as you can see mine right here. Once you insert your affiliate link, you are going to click right here, publish. Once you click on publish, you can publish your landing page. In this case, I've already published this landing page, so I don't need to publish it again. So now once you have published your landing page, the next step is that you are going to get a link to your landing page so that you can begin promoting your landing page. To get the link to your landing page, click on this icon right here. Once you click on it, you can see this is the link to your landing page. Click right here, copy, so that you can copy it. Once you copy it, you can test it on a new tab so that you can see how your landing page will appear. As you can see, this is the landing page. You can see this is how it is going to appear to our potential visitors. You can see everything. So anytime they click on apply now, they are going to be directed to a product through my affiliate link, and if they buy the product, I'm going to be earning a commission. So now once you have your landing page, the next step is that you are going to be driving traffic to this landing page so that you can get many people to click on your call to action and then purchase the product for you to earn money on Clickbank. If you want, you can use free traffic or you can use paid traffic. Both of them works, but paid traffic you are going to be getting fast results, and the free traffic you can get results, but it might take some time. In this case, I'm going to show you the free traffic source. In another video, I'll show you the paid traffic source so that you can use any of them that you want to promote the product. One of the best free traffic sources that I've found is freeastime.org. On this website, you can promote your affiliate links without paying for anything, and the best part is that you can target any country that you want. When you scroll down, you can see in the United States there are a lot of different cities that you can target. You can see many of them. You can see a lot of different cities in the United States that you can target. The website is available worldwide. You can see in Canada, these are the cities. In the UK, these are the cities. So when you scroll down, you can see in Australia, these are the cities. As I scroll down, you can see India, these are the cities. So any place in the world that you want to run an ad, you can use this website to run an ad and target those places so that you can get people to buy the product for you to earn money. In this case, the product is getting a lot of sales in the United States, so we are going to create an account so that we can post free ads on this platform to get people in the United States to buy the product for us to earn money on Clickbank. So what you have to do is that you have to create an account. To create an account, just click right here, my accounts. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to click right here, sign up now. Once you click on it, you are going to follow the prompts and then create your free accounts. You don't need to pay for anything. Once you create your free accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, post an ad. Once you click on post an ad, you are going to see a page like this. Scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see select one of the following three options: post a classified ad, add a business listing, sell a new product. In this case, we are going to post a classified ad. So click right here, post a classified ad. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to choose the category of the product that you are promoting. In this case, we are promoting a job offer. So click right here, jobs. Once you click on jobs, you are going to select the type of jobs. You can see a lot of different types of jobs. In this case, you are going to select business opportunity. Once you select the subcategory, the next step is that you are going to scroll down, click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you are going to see a page like this. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down, just scroll down to the button. Once you scroll down, you can see choose your metro area. So you are going to choose the country where you are targeting. Click right here, select country. Once you click on it, you are going to select any of these countries that you want. In this case, the offer is getting a lot of sales in the United States, so just select that. Once you select that, you can see select state. You can click on it and then select any of the states in the United States. You can see, so just select any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to select California. Once you select California, you can select a city. So click on it and then select any city that you want. You can see a lot of different cities in California, just select the one that you want. So let me just select this one right here. Once you select the city, the next step is that you are going to click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. Scroll down to the button. Once you scroll down, you can see add title, add description. So you are going to go back on the product landing page so that you can get an add title and then an add description. Once you come back on the affiliate support page of the product, you can see these are some suggested ad titles that you can use. You can see suggested PPC as titles that you can use. You can see a lot of different titles that you can use for your ad. Any of them that you want, you can copy it and then paste. In this case, I'm going to copy this one right here. So just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is the description. So you have to go back on the affiliate page so that you can find a description of the offer. So just come back on the affiliate support page. Once you come back on the affiliate support page, you are going to scroll upwards. Just scroll upwards. Once you scroll upwards, you can see a lot of different things that you can use. You can see this is a description that you can use. So what you have to do is that you have to highlight this post. Just highlight this portion and then copy it. Once you highlight it and copy it, what you have to do is that you have to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste the ad title and the description, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see continue. Click on that. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. Scroll down to the button. Once you scroll down, you can see salary. So if you want, you can enter a figure right here. You are going to select per hour. Once you select that, you are going to enter $35 right here. So let's say $35. I think this is okay. Once you enter that, you are going to scroll down and then click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see contact name, contact email. So you are going to enter your name right here. Once you type your name, you can see contact email. Type any of your emails that you want. So just type an email right here. Once you type your email, the next step is that you're going to scroll down, click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. Scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see contact phone number. If you want, you can enter your phone number, but in this case, I don't want to enter my phone number, so click right here, continue. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see map address. That is optional, so you are going to skip it and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. You can see ad type, individual, business, others. So you are going to select business. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. You can see website URL. This is where you are going to paste the link to your landing page. So you are going to come back on your landing page and then click on this icon. Once you click on it, you can see this is the link to your landing page. Click on copy. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on that, you can see video URL. If you have a YouTube channel, you can paste the link right here. But in this case, we are not going to do that. So what you have to do is that you have to skip it and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see Facebook page. If you want to insert your Facebook page link right here, you can do that. So they are going to keep on asking you about social media platforms. So any of the social media platforms that you want, you can link it to your ad. In this case, I'm not going to paste any link right here. So just skip it. Once you skip it, you are going to click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. So you can see right here, add images. So you are going to upload images of the product right here. To get images of the product, you have to go back on the affiliate support page. So you are going to come back on the affiliate support page. Once you come back, what you have to do is that you have to scroll upwards so that you can find images of the product. There are a lot of different images that you can use. You can see these are all images of the product that you can upload. So now what you have to do is that you have to begin downloading these images. We are going to download this one right here. To download it, click here, download image. Once you click on it, it is going to open like this. Right click on the image. Once you right click on it, you are going to select save image as. Once you click on that, save the image. Once you save the image, you are going to come back and then download another image. So in this case, we are going to download this image right here. Click right here, download image. Once you click on it, you are going to right click, select save image as. Once you click on that, click on save, and the image has been saved. So you can save as many images that you want. Once you save the images, you are going to come back, click on choose file. Once you click on choose file, you are going to select your image, click on open. You can see the image has been uploaded. You are going to click on the second one, choose file. Once you click on it, you are going to select your image, click on open. You can see the image has been uploaded. Once you upload the images, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see you are going to select any of these packages. You can see they have the basic package, which you are required not to pay for anything. You can see the standard, you are required to pay $9.97. You can see the premium, you are required to pay $29.98. So any of them that you want, you can select it. In this case, you are going to select the basic. Once you select the basic, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see human verification. Enter 7 in the following box and click on continue. So you are going to enter 7. Once you enter 7, you are going to click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. You can see proceed with clicking on submit to complete your posting and ad process. So now the last step is that you have to submit your ad. To submit it, click right here, submit. Once you click on submit, you can see your ad has been posted. You can see it right here, your ad has been posted. Now your ad is live on the platform, so you are going to be getting people who will click on your link in the United States and then buy the product for you to make money. So what you have to do is that you have to keep on posting a lot of different ads on this platform so that you can reach a lot of audience for them to purchase the product for you to earn money on Clickbank. There are many different websites that you can post free ads, so you can use those websites to promote your affiliate link for free without paying for anything. You can promote your affiliate link on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and any place that you want. You can promote your link and then get people to purchase it for you to make money. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.